Hello, learners. Let's start with the topic Nature of Managerial Economics. Managerial economics is a stream of management studies that emphasizes primarily solving business problems and decision making by applying the theories and principles of microeconomics and macroeconomics. It is a specialized stream dealing with an organization's internal issues by using various economic theories. Economics is an indispensable part of any business. Nature of managerial economics, arts and science. Management theory requires a lot of critical and logical thinking and analytical skills to make decisions or solve problems. Many economists also find it a source of research, saying it includes applying different economic concepts, techniques, and methods to solve business problems. Microeconomics. In managerial economics, managers typically deal with the problems relevant to a single entity rather than the economy as a whole. It is therefore considered an integral part of microeconomics. Uses of macroeconomics. A corporation works in an external world, that is, it serves the consumer, which is an important part of the economy. For this purpose, it is important that managers evaluate the various macroeconomic factors such as market dynamics, economic changes, government policies, etc., and their effect on the company. Multidisciplinary. It uses many tools and principles that belong to different disciplines, such as accounting, finance, statistics, mathematics, production, operational research, human resources, marketing, etc. Perspective or normative discipline. By introducing corrective steps, it aims at achieving the objective and solves specific issues or problems. Management oriented. This serves as an instrument in managers' hands to deal effectively with business related problems and uncertainties. This also allows for setting priorities, formulating policies, and taking successful decision making. Pragmatic. The solution to day business challenges is realistic and rational. So, learners, that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.